Hello everyone. Here I am going to discuss algebra of real functions. This is not in your syllabus. This is reduced portion. But for knowledge purpose, I am going to discuss it. So for examinations, you will not prepare this part. Algebra of real functions or operations on functions, real functions. So operations or algebra, both are similar, means here we will discuss various operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on real functions, means how to add two real functions, then similarly subtract a real function from another, multiply a real function by a scalar quantity, and multiply two real functions and divide one real function by another. So first I'm going to discuss that is called addition of two real functions. Real functions means real number to real number. So first function is here, that is f from d1 tends to r. d1 also belongs to real numbers. d1 is a subset of real numbers and r is a real number, set of real numbers. So f from d1 tends to r, and second function g from d2 tends to r. d2 is also a subset of real numbers r. Be two functions, and then when we are adding these two, so their sum f plus g from d1 intersection d2 means intersection part of domain of the function f and domain of the function g tends to real number, set of real numbers. So this is called fx plus gx, means addition of two functions where small x belongs to d1 intersection d2. So mathematically we can write it as f plus g of x equals to fx plus gx. So I am going to give here examples so that it will be clear for you all. If there will be two functions, first function I am taking here, fx equals to x square. fx equals to x square. And second function I am taking here, gx equals to 2x plus 1. Now I'm going to apply addition in between these two. So it is here f plus g into x. So I have to find out value of this. So we can write it f plus g into x equals to fx plus gx. Now I'm going to apply, this is x square plus 2x plus 1. Just I'm applying functions. fx is x square and gx is 2x plus 1. So this is the value of f plus g into x. And if we have to find out addition of two functions in a particular value, means if I'm taking x equals to 1. So we have to find out here f plus g 1. So we will write here fx plus gx as usual, and then same function I'm taking here. So this is x square plus 2x plus 1, and here we are finding f plus g into 1. So because of that, I'm going to write here f plus g into 1, means in place of x I'm writing 1. So this is here 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So finally it will be here 1 plus 2 plus 1, means it is here 4. So for a particular value, when x is given, we can find out, and then if function is there, then we can find out here addition. Now second, that is subtraction of two real functions. Then let f from d1 tends to r and g from d2 tends to r be two real functions. Then their subtraction. F minus g from d1 intersection d2 tends to r, which associates each x belongs to d1 intersection d2 to the number fx minus gx. So f minus g into x equals to fx minus gx. Just we have to subtract two functions. For all x belongs to d1 intersection d2. Okay, there is a sign for all. For all. This is notation. This is the way to write for all. So here example I have taken fx equals to x square and gx equals to 2x plus 1. So f minus g into x means fx minus gx. So just I'm applying here minus and then function. So finally I'm getting here x square minus 2x minus 1. And if I'm applying value of x, if I'm applying x equals to 2, then I have to find out here f minus g into 2. So this value I'm going to find. So we can write it as f minus g into x equals to x square minus 2x minus 1. And then the point x equals to 2. So it is here 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 1. So this is here 4 minus 1. So finally we'll have here minus 1. Now next function, that next algebra, that is product of two functions. So let f from d1 tends to r and g from d2 tends to r. d1 and d2 both subsets of real numbers, set of real numbers. d2 real functions, then their product f into g from d1 intersection d2 tends to r, which associates each x belongs to d1 intersection d2 to the number fx into gx. So we can write it as f into gx is equal to fx into gx for all x belongs to d1 intersection d2. So this is called product of two real functions. So example also I have taken here fx equals to x square, gx equals to 2x plus 1. f into gx, fx into gx. And x square, fx is x square and gx is 2x plus 1. So finally we'll have here 2x cube plus x square. At a point, if I am applying x equals to 2, I have taken f into g into 2, f into g x. So it is 2x cube plus x square. And then according to a point x equals to 2, so it is 2 into, in place of x I have applied 2. So finally I'm getting here 20. Now fourth one is quotient of two real functions. Let f from d1 tends to r and g from d2 tends to r be two real functions. Then the quotient means f by g. So we can write f by g from d1 intersection d2 tends to x such that gx equals to 0. Meaning is we will not take denominator 0. Whenever we are taking quotient of two functions, then fx by gx where gx not equals to 0. So this is the condition here. Well, x means domain of this function belongs to d1 intersection d2 minus x such that gx equals to 0, means denominator will not be 0. So this is quotient. So example I am taking here for this, if I am taking fx, function fx as 2x and function gx I am taking here x plus 2. Then I am finding here f by gx. So we can write it as fx by gx. So it is here 2x by x plus 2. Now last one, that is multiplication of a function by a scalar. Means we have to multiply a function with a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means a real number. So f from d tends to r and be a real function and alpha be a scalar means real number. Then the product alpha into f is a function from d to r. D is a subset of real set of real numbers and r is a set of real numbers. So we can write it as alpha into f x equals to alpha into fx for all x belongs to d. So example fx equals to root x and alpha 2 I have taken. So alpha f into x equals to alpha into fx. So 2 into root x. So this is our answer. Again I'm repeating, this is reduced portion this year. So for knowledge purpose only I have defined these all.